y'all, it's the Traveling Writer, and I know it's been a very long time. I've just been super busy, but I am going to do a better job about not only documenting my trips, but making sure that I upload them to share them with you guys. Enough of all that. Today we are visiting the Palazzo at the Venetian in Las Vegas, Nevada. So a few months ago, I decided I needed a little time away, and I decided that Vegas was the place to have it. I just want to point out how much I love Vegas. I know I recently did an MGM Grand Tour, but if you follow the page, you should expect to see even more content surrounding Vegas because that is a place that I absolutely frequent. I love the gambling experience, I love the entertainment, I absolutely love the dining, and I love the attractions. Okay, so let's talk about the location. So this time I stayed at the Palazzo at the Venetian, which is a change from the MGM Grand Hotel I normally stay at. The Palazzo is in the opposite direction of MGM Grand if you're heading towards the center of the Las Vegas Strip. The Palazzo is a luxury hotel, and it's also the sister hotel to the Venetian. Don't quote me, but I think the Venetian was purchased first, and then the owners purchased the property next to the Venetian, and they built the Palazzo, which I believe opened in 2007. One of the things that intrigued me most about the Palazzo is all of the 3,000 plus rooms are suites. We are talking luxury. It also includes a shopping mall and great attractions. So when we got to the Palazzo, it was about 10 o'clock in the morning. And one thing I absolutely love about Vegas is it doesn't matter what time you arrive, they will likely have a room for you. I think I've checked in as early as 8 o'clock a.m. before. The check-in process was seamless and efficient, setting the tone for our stay. Okay, so there's so many things to talk about. I'll try to stay on topic best I can, but I know I'm gonna leave a lot of stuff out, so just bear with me. So this time I did not get to the gym. However, on my way to looking for the gym that I never found, I did find a spa. Obviously, I couldn't record in the spa, but it looked just as lavish. If you are an American Express Platinum card holder, this is a great way to spend your $100 credit that you're going to get if you book through the American Express portal. No, this is not sponsored. I'm just giving you the cheat code. Okay, so moving along. The casino. I'm not gonna lie to you, the casino was just okay. In Las Vegas, there's a lot of great casinos. I like table games, so I usually want to see a good amount of table games open. And on this trip, that just wasn't my experience. But this wasn't a deal breaker for me because you're very close to the Mirage, you're close to the Venetian, and you're close to Treasure Island, as well as several other casinos. But if you're looking to only gamble at the resort you're staying, it's Vegas. So everywhere you go, there will be food. But it's Vegas, so said food may be very expensive. We were able to find affordable places at the Venetian and at the Palazzo. We ate breakfast at Grand Lux, which had a pretty decent buffet, and we also ate at Buddy B's. Okay, enough of that. Let's get to why you tuned in. You want to see what that room is hitting on. So we booked the cheapest room the Palazzo offers, which was the luxury king suite city view. It was so nice. The bathroom was very grand. They had a shower room, they had a tub, they had a main area, which is where our vanity was located, and they had a wash closet. There was a place to work, there was a little desk in the corner, there was a place where you can eat, there was a table with a few chairs, there was a lounging area, which obviously was the couch, and then you had your beds. The beds were comfortable, the couch was comfortable, but what I loved most was our view. In particularly, we can catch the volcano show every hour at the Mirage from our room. Okay, so the pool. I went when it wasn't hot, so that was a good thing and a bad thing, right? It was a bad thing because I couldn't get in the pool. But I did take a tour around the pool, and I noticed that there was restaurants, there were several pools. So I know when the warm weather kicks up, this is definitely the vibe. Okay, so wrapping everything up. First, let's talk about the service really quick. The service is probably what I liked best. The service was super accommodating. Sometimes when you get in some of these bigger hotels, the smallest request can take a really long time, not because they don't want to do it, but there's 3,000 plus rooms and probably hundreds of guests that are also awaiting to be accommodated. So you have to take that with a grain of salt. However, the Palazzo was exceptionally good. With our status, we get a free bottle, and I called down to have them bring the bottle up, and I was very impressed that they got the bottle to our room within 30 minutes. Take into account, this is a huge property. There are hundreds of guests that are likely needing things as well, but I felt like they got it up there pretty quick. We still have to give it a score. I say this gets a 4.5 out of 5. I don't think it deserves a 5 because I definitely feel like there's more luxurious hotels on the Strip. But I feel like the location factored in with the service and the room being a suite and a spacious one at that, it deserves a 4.5. I will say the Palazzo is expensive, or at least it's expensive to me, but I do feel like it is worth the cost. All right, so now that we got all that out, you know what time it is. If this video was helpful in any way, please make sure that you not only hit that like button, but subscribe. It helps other people see our videos and it helps the page keep going. Until next time.